Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to copy link from Chrome and mobile. Here are the steps to copy a link from Chrome on Android. First is to unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Tap the Google Chrome app to open it. Navigate to the web page you want to copy the link from. Once the page loads, look at the address bar at the top. Tap the address bar. The full website link URL will appear highlighted. If it doesn't highlight automatically, tap and hold on the URL text until options appear. Select Copy Link from the menu that appears. The link is now copied to your clipboard. To confirm, open any app where you can paste text, like Messages, Notes, or WhatsApp. Tap and hold inside the text field. Choose Paste from the pop-up menu. You'll see the website link appear in the field. You can now send or save the link as needed. Tip: go back to the website, then tap on the link in the top. Here, you can also tap the share or arrow icon in the Chrome's menu and select Copy Link icon directly for faster access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.